So we welcome you from the different states and countries you are joining. This is the official onboarding session of TechQuest Scholarship Program, and we're happy to have you here tonight. All right, every journey worth embarking on have a definite purpose. For you to have decided to be on this journey, you have a purpose. And if the purpose of a thing is not known, yes, they say abuse is inevitable. So we must have to know the purpose of embarking on this journey of acquiring a tech skill. So I would want us to know, tell us what is your purpose, what is your dream, or why you want to go into tech. Why do you want to? I know you are all doing something now, you have other things you are doing, but yet you still want to go into tech. I want us to, let's make it very interactive, communicate with each other. Everybody feel free. You talk to me, I talk to you. Everybody responds to each other. We need to flow in this manner. So open your mic. Let's hear your reasons for wanting to acquire a tech skill. I may actually not be seeing your hand if you're raising a hand now, but you can just open your mic and talk. You can just open your mic and talk. All right, go ahead, go ahead. Okay, Dave. Thank you, Dave. Dave said he wants to maximize his potentials, and that is why he has joined this program to be able to develop himself and maximize his potentials. That is very correct. Congratulations, Dave. We are happy to have you here. Who again? Dave, you can close your mic now. Let another person take the mic. If you want to speak, you can just open your mic and speak. Go ahead. You can't just start a journey that you do not know the destination or this is what you stand to gain. No. For you to have decided that you're going to acquire a new skill, there is a reason why you want a new skill. So we want to hear from you. What are your reasons for wanting to acquire a skill? So go ahead and tell us.
Yeah, my name is Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, go ahead.
Yes, I actually have interest in this because I studied computer science, and from the beginning, I was trying to go into coding and I used to develop websites at the initial stage. But when I faced the reality after schooling, I have to drop those ones. Currently, I'm a professional in project and facility maintenance, and I discovered that okay, as a project manager, I can actually dive into technology too, which is part of what actually encouraged me to like, okay, let me not just be a construction, mechanical, electrical, and let me go back to my project. So that's just it.
Wow, wow, amazing, amazing. Emmanuel, thank you so much. There are several ideas, there are several things you would want to do to make an end meet. You would want to do so many other jobs that are not in this field, but the truth is, as we progress, you get to know that the tech industry is a place. Your decision to get into tech is one of the best decisions you have taken this year. So welcome, Emmanuel. Let us hear from at least one other person before we proceed. Why do you want to go into tech? Yeah, go ahead. Tell us your name.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Mr. Umam. Yeah, my name is Mr. Umamak Ale, and I am joining this call from Angola, River State. Okay, for me, I don't actually have a tech background.
Mr. Allen, are you still there?
In the university, I went into digital marketing because I discovered that the world is becoming digitized or digitalized, and it's becoming global. The world is becoming a global thing. So I decided to go into tech, and I've discovered that I can actually stay in the comfort of my home and deliver services to people, without leaving my home. I decided to embrace tech, and I will say that tech is the new oil money now, currently. So based on that, I have fully developed my interest in tech, and I want to start my journey with coding and designing. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Allen. Allen had no tech background before now, but with his desire to be better than the way he has been, you can see that he's doing a lot. Now, he has even gone into the digital marketing field, and he can deliver a lot of jobs right from the comfort of his home. That is one opportunity that going into tech can give to you. The flexibility to attend to many things at the same time. That is what tech can give to you. So, now let me also add to you to what you have just said. That the tech industry, they have so many opportunities. But the truth is, tech is the new game changer. No matter which field of tech you are in, it is the game changer. Here are some of the reasons I want to add to all that you have said now. Why those reasons you said are correct. I want to tell you that tech skills open doors to a wide range of high-paying and in-demand career opportunities. That is the truth. You have a lot of opportunities all over there. As long as you have a skill in tech, there are high-paying, in-demand tech careers that are out there that once you have the skill, you can enjoy the opportunities they present. Don't joke. The truth is this. You want to acquire more money. That is why you have joined this program. If you don't want to make more money, you cannot even look for where to upskill and then get more knowledge. The truth is that we all want to make more money. But there is no way you can make more money without having the skills. Everybody is looking for a way or looking for someone that will solve their problems. There are problems out there. So it is you offering solution to those problems that will guarantee you making the money that you aim to make. So many tech jobs can be done remotely. Just like the speaker was saying, that he can be at the comfort of his home and then deliver as many jobs as he wants. That is true. That is correct. That opportunity is given to you in tech. As long as you have the skills, you can deliver as many jobs as you can from the comfort of your home. And then you have a work-life balance. It's not just about working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Just commuting on the way every day. But here you save a lot. You'll be working from your house. Cost of transportation in most places now have gone so high. You save the cost of transportation. You save the stresses of push me and push you on the streets. You get, you are relaxed at the comfort of your home. Do what you are not restricted to the amount of hours you put in. Yes, in tech field, it is even the more number of hours you put in, the more you gain. In the normal secular work, you can work from 9 to 5 p.m. Yes, they pay you a fixed amount of money. But here, you can even work for, say, 1 hour and get paid for a lot. And if you multiply those hours, you know how much you could be paid. So, It is one of the reasons why we are going into tech. Learning a tech skill encourages critical thinking and problem solving. Yes, in the tech field, you need to think critically. You will be solution oriented. You will be thinking of how do you solve problems. This is because any tech role you know that you are in require analyzing issues and developing innovative solutions. So you as a professional who has acquired the skill in tech, whether as a software developer, data analyst, or whichever, cyber security, graphic design, UI, UX, any field at all you are, you'll be thinking critically. You need to profile solutions. You analyze issues and see how you can develop innovative solutions. That is one of the reasons you need to go into tech. So, also, job security and stability, I don't need to emphasize on this so much because you already know that as a techie, once you are into any tech field, you have opportunities there. Even if you are not satisfied with this particular job today, you move to the other one. Yes, you have the flexibility of changing industries. You have the possibility of changing roles. Today you may be okay. Somebody already mentioned that it's a digital marketer. Yes, but from being a digital marketer, you can be a programmer, you can be a UI UX designer, you can be a graphic designer. All what you just need is to acquire the skill to break new field into levels. Then you can switch to anywhere. You don't need to have a godfather before you get a job. In the tech industry, you don't need godfathers. Like if you be in other sectors, you want to get any work in the ministry or in the government, they will tell you you must have to know this senator, you must have to know this House of Assembly or House of Rep member. No, you don't need all that in tech. What gives you the job you need is your technical know-how. As long as you can deliver, as long as you can do the job very well, nobody wants to know where you are coming from. Nobody wants to know whether you are a male or you are a female. Nobody wants to know whether you are coming from Nigeria or you are coming from UK. All is needed is, can you do this work? As long as you can do it, the job will be given to you. These are just a few benefits of acquiring a tech skill. Now, why these reasons are very okay, the ones you have given, the ones I have told you there, they are very okay. But the truth is this, you must have a strategy to achieve them. You cannot just say you want to learn a skill or you want to acquire or go into tech, and then you have, because you have seen the profits or the benefits of being into tech, and then you just say, let me just do it anyhow. No, there are strategies. There are ways you can explore to achieve. So let us look at some of the strategies for achieving your tech goals. One of these, in fact, the principal strategy to follow to achieve your tech goals, one of it is to pick a stack. Pick a stack. There are many fields of specialty in the tech industry, such as the software development, data analysis, cyber security, digital marketing, project management, product management, UI UX design, graphic design, and many others. There are a lot of them. There are a lot of them. All what you just need to do is learn the skills needed in your chosen stack. Once you have learned that skill, then you can always do any job, any role given to you in that field, you can do it. That is the principal strategy to achieving it. You don't just jump from pillar to pole. You must focus on a particular field. You must focus on a particular field. If you want to be a developer, be a developer. So that everybody knows you that this guy is a developer. If you give him website, he will develop website. If you want to be a designer, be a designer. that does not limit you to having knowledge in diverse fields. Yes, it is good that you have knowledge in diverse fields, but then it is equally better that you focus on a particular field. So let's look at some of the stats and the skills you need to learn in this program. Now, in TechQuest Scholarship, we have front end. And the front end, the things you'll be learning, you'll be taught HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. HTML for building the skeletal part of a website, and then using the CSS to beautify it, and then you use JavaScript to give it functionalities. Then you have the React that gives you the flexibility to build this thing very fast. These are not just all you will learn here. There are so many other things that you will learn as a front-end developer. Once you enroll into this program as a front-end developer, you will learn all these things. Then, the back-end developers. If you are enrolling as a back-end developer, these are the things you will learn. You will learn Node.js, concepts of Node.js, HTTP server and routing, frameworks and libraries, databases. The core aspect of back-end is API, building of APIs. APIs that the front-end guys will be consuming. That is what you will be building as a back-end developer. And let me mention that this program is for 3 months. Whichever of the stacks you are joining is for 3 months. I don't know if you are following. Let me hear your voice. If you are following, I may not be seeing my screen. All right, thank you. All right. So, also we have the data analyst. The data analysis. In data analysis, we'll be teaching you Excel, Power BI, and Tableau, SQL, and Python. These are the things we have different facilitators, just like you heard from some of them that introduced themselves before now. We have. I won't be teaching you this all alone. We have so many of them, a team, all joining from different areas. So definitely, if you are registering as a data analyst or a digital marketer or the ones I mentioned earlier, we have facilitators that will be taking you on all this. As a digital marketer, you will be learning introduction to digital marketing, SEO fundamentals. I was talking about search engine optimization. Fundamentals of search engine optimization. And then we'll be talking about content creating strategy. If you don't know the strategy of creating content, you'll just be doing anything you like and you won't get it right. The truth is, in the world we are today, everybody should be a marketer. Every damn person should be a marketer. It is no longer a time when you say that I'm shy to market. If you are shy to meet people and tell them what you sell, then your product will remain with you or your services will remain with you. But with the era of digital marketing, that you don't even have to interface with people. You can create content, you will be taught how to create content during this program, and then you create content that will market your products. So these are one of the things you'll be learning in this program. And then graphic design. Our competent team member that will be taking you on graphic design will teach you mastering of core design principles, expertise in typography and color theory, proficiency in image editing and manipulation, ability to develop visual identities and branding. Many more things that will be taught within these 3 months as you enroll as a graphic designer. We also have product design, what you call UI/UX design. There you will be learning user experience and user interface. We have various courses in this program. It is not just those ones I have shown you. We have front-end development, back-end development, data analysis, cyber security, UI/UX design, graphic design, digital marketing, product management, and project management. these are the courses we offer in TechQuest. So, if you are to pay for any of these courses, you will be paying between 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira. Yeah. In most cases, you pay more than this, but in TechQuest, we charge normally between 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira. That is if it is not a scholarship. However, this is scholarship program and you will be paying nothing. This scholarship, you won't be paying that 100,000 naira or 200,000 naira. You will only be required to pay an acceptance fee of 10,000 naira, not 100,000, 10,000 naira or $10 for Nigerians or foreign students respectively. If you are coming from other countries, you are only going to pay an acceptance fee of $10. $10 is, I don't even know what you can even buy with $10. I don't know, let me not call it a chicken change because I know it's still coming from you. But I look at this as very insignificant because these 3 months, what we are set to unleash cannot be quantified. It's not something that you can buy with this kind of money. Even if we say let us charge 100,000 or 200,000 for this program, honestly, it can't be equated with what you are going to gain in this program. So, but then you are paying only 10,000 naira. So what you do for me now, if you are joining this call, just take your phone, pay 10,000 naira now. This payment it is now. After now, it will return to original price. We have now to make these payments. You have the payment details on the screen. Pay. If you are paying in naira, you have the account details there on the screen. Look at your screen. You either pay to Access Bank or to OPay. And then if you are coming from outside the country, you pay either to UBA or you use PayPal. These are the platforms we are using. So you pay that now. I want to see us make that payment if you are part of this program. This is just an acceptance fee for this training.
I can see it.
Oh, you can't see it. Okay. I'll be calling it. For Naira accounts, we have Access Bank. If you want to pay into Access Bank, you will pay into the account number 142 83 78 797 142 83 78 797. The account name is Gemon Agrotech Farms. If you want to pay to OPay, pay to 6113 492 773. The account name is TechQuest. I call OPay account again, 6113 492 773. The account name is TechQuest. If you are paying in dollars, you pay to UBA. The account number is 3004 181 081. The account name is La Viva Africa Limited. La Viva Africa Limited. If you are paying with PayPal, you pay to 8067497822. Once you have made the payment, those of you joining from Ghana, chat me up after now. I will send an account. I will send you one of our facilitators' accounts who is in Ghana. You will pay to Ghana. He will send the money in Naira. So chat me up after now. Is that okay?
Sorry, sir, I don't get the link you said we should click after making payment.
Okay, the link is bit.ly/. It is on the screen now. You can see it on the screen. This,
Maybe I should go out and come in again. My
Don't-
screen is not showing. I don't know.
okay, if you have something to take it down, let me call it for you. Meanwhile, I will still drop the details in the WhatsApp group. I'll drop the details. I'll drop the details in the WhatsApp group. So once you have filled this form, you have made the payments, and then you fill the form. Then we can say, welcome to TechQuest Scholarship Program. So at this point, I would want to hold on. Let's entertain some questions. I know some of you have various questions that you want to ask us. We are here to entertain your questions. So all right, Mad Ndubisi Igwe, go ahead and ask your question.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Ndubisi, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay, my question is this 3 months period, is it all going to be online training or physical?
Okay, this program is designed to be conducted online. It's not going to be a physical program. The physical program will come sometime next year, but not now. For this particular program, it is physical. And the one coming next year, I don't think it is a scholarship. So this scholarship program now is online. We did it so it can accommodate anybody from anywhere. I don't know if that has been addressed.
Yes, thank you.
Just like you know, the tech field is interwoven. If you are a developer, you will be dealing with almost all the stacks. You will be dealing with the designers, that is the UI UX designers. You will be dealing with the project managers. You will be dealing with the cyber security. Because when you are designing your website, if you are not security conscious, hackers will come in and then destroy what you have spent months to build, and then all your effort will be in vain. How you can detect potential threats as an analyst? How can you now work for organizations to ensure that you secure their cyberspace? Because every transaction that is being done on the internet, they are prone to attacks. So for you to ensure that there are no attacks coming to an organization, that is your work. You have to protect the assets, the online assets of organizations. So you will be learning how to do that. You will be learning how to detect different kinds of attacks, different types of malwares. You will be learning how to detect this. So, okay, let me address that of deadline before Paul you continue. Who asked that question? Is it Olalekan?
Yes.
Okay, good. The deadline for payments is between now and tomorrow. Between now and tomorrow, we're having let me not say 48 hours, it's 24 hours for this offer. After now, we return to our normal payments. The charge for this particular training is usually 100. Some of the courses are 100K, some 150, some 200K. So, but we made it a level ground. Everybody participating, just pay an offer or of acceptance, an acceptance fee of 10,000 naira. So if you pay between now and tomorrow, you will have this course. Yes, when we did this program last month, we gave people that just joined the program, we gave them an opportunity to join with 5,000 naira. That is the truth. People that ask anybody you know that is benefiting from TechQuest scholarship program, they are benefiting with 5,000 naira. Of course, you know that 5,000 naira is not money in Nigeria. 5,000 naira, even 10,000 naira is not money in Nigeria. But yes, we are saying we need people to partake in the program, empower themselves. We'll be happy when we see you someday. You say that yes, you learned the skill that is putting food on your table today from somewhere. But thank you, at least one person know us and has known somebody who is already benefiting from this program. Thank you so much for that. As for your question, you said, is it within the 3 months you are going to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React? Yes. This program has, we have a curriculum that once we follow this curriculum strictly, within this period of time, you should be able to learn this. However, learning is continuous. Learning is continuous. You don't just learn and then stop there. You continue to learn. You continue to learn. So once we've taught you, even for the period that we're teaching you, we don't just allow you to rest. We teach you, we give you materials to read. Go ahead and study the materials and then keep improving on yourself. So I don't know if I have answered your question, Paul. All right. Unquote, Chinedu, can you mute yourself while Ndubisi, Mr. Ndubisi, go ahead.
Okay, good evening once again. My question one is, this suggestion is a place too. Some of us joined late before, in fact, it's no longer I joined. The program has been running. Is there any way that at the end of the program you can maybe drop the what do you call it? Those slides that you were showing on the WhatsApp phone?
That might not be possible, but if you have a particular question, you can ask or you can chat me up. My number is in that WhatsApp platform. I don't know, I may have even sent you a DM. I don't know.
Yes, you did.
Okay, good. So you already have my number. You can chat me and then let's discuss. Let's know if you have a particular need. If you have any question, chat me up. I'll be able to answer you.
Okay, that's one. Then secondly, after these payments of 10,000, like today, tomorrow, is there any other future payment you're going to make?
No payments. You can ask our former or our old students if they are paying any other thing. They don't pay anything. Once you pay the initial acceptance fee, you don't pay. And again, we offer, we award certificates at the end of this program. We give you certificates. So, but you must have to follow the process. Once the process has been followed diligently, we give you a certificate of completion. Is that okay, Mr. Ndubisi? Okay, Paul, I'm seeing your hand. Go ahead.
I just want to ask.
Yeah.
I was muted. Sorry.
Okay, I didn't hear you.
Somebody is talking. The process you're talking about, if you follow the process, what's the process?
The process is just the process is just ensuring that you acquire the skill. You know, some people that you will take because you are paying little or nothing for this program, and then attending your classes will be difficult. You know, I presume that so many of us are working, and because you are working, you will put that work before this, not following the classes. At the end, you will expect to be given a certificate when you have learned nothing. No, we don't give certificates to people that just registered and then don't attend classes. When you register, you attend classes and then get the knowledge. Well, it is the knowledge that you acquire that is making us give you the certificate. So when you have not followed the process of attending the classes and completing projects, there are projects that you will complete. You will do projects in this program because it's practical based. So when you do these projects and acquire the skills, we will give you certificate at the end of it. You're welcome. Go ahead, Paul, before Gabriel. Okay, what I was saying when I mentioned the certificate is that you don't pay kobo. The only money you are paying in this program is this acceptance fee. So at the end of it, you don't pay any other money. Even the certificate we are offering you, we are giving you, you don't pay for it. Okay, go ahead, Gabriel. We are giving certificate of completion that you have completed this training. As a front-end developer, you have successfully completed a 3-month training as a software developer. So we give you a certificate bearing their name, Gabriel, so we give you a certificate that shows you have completed the training. Particular stack. Maybe we want to give information about front end, we want to give information about cyber security. We are giving the information in that channel. So the person that is in back end is not taking part of the information for the front end. So you download that app, and then we will add you to the channel. We'll be sending a message. We'll be sending a message to the WhatsApp group asking you to fill in their information, but that will be upon accepting the offer.